I guys received this professional wireless microphone system for reviewing purposes, which I think it's really nice because it's a dual channel diversity wireless system that you can plug into your speaker or any other audio system that you have, which I think it's really nice. We got in here the instruction manual, okay, a pair of microphones, which I think they're really nice. This is how it looks. They are really nice. We have the on button, the echo, and the volume, okay, which I think it's really nice thing. They have their weight to it, and in this part we can unscrew it to place the batteries, okay. It uses these AA batteries, which I think it's really nice. And we have the receiver, okay. You can see you can charge it this device, okay, and turn it on and off. And this is an adapter. If your device doesn't have this 4-inch input, you can just place the adapter and you have the 3.5mm jack for the audio, which I think it's really nice. I'm gonna test it, as you can see, with my guitar amp. So let's just turn it on. I'm gonna follow the instructions that have in here in the manual, okay. Okay guys, as you can see, it's really nice, really easy to use. You just almost plug and play it, which I think it's really nice. And it's perfect for any occasion when you are, with your friends outside, in a party, doing some karaoke nights. I think it will do an amazing job. And even in different conferences, which are, well, where many people are maybe listening to you, stuff like that. I think it's gonna work really nice. I think it's really nice. You can just set up a karaoke and everything. That's why I would really recommend it. See you guys.